We are here with a revolutionary model on the topic resource management. We are creating an energy efficient city which can create energy from every nook and corner of the city. Physics has taught us that energy neither can be destroyed nor can be created. So how it is generated? It is converted from mechanical to electrical, converted from heat to electrical. So here are we with different modules. And do you know, a country, a city is not efficient without its good health, and there are many polluted water bodies in India, in Delhi. So here are we with some of the solutions to this problem. We have created here the solar paint which will generate electricity while we have painted this on wall in a mosaic design. We have Peltier module that works on the principle if one side of Peltier module is hot and the other is cold, it produces electricity. It can be used in chimneys where hot air comes out. And then we have, while walking, we can generate electricity, that is here, piezoelectric generator. Piezoelectric generator works on when pressure is put on it, it generates electricity, and here is DC motor that can generate electricity with the help of magnets or while moving it. Now my friend Sukiran will tell you more about this project and how it works.
So first let's talk about the solar paint. Now this is the revolution in the solar panels. As we know that solar panels are really costly and they use silicon that is not present in a lot amount, and it can be exhausted. So we have designed a revolutionary solar panel wherein we have the mosaic of paints. Now this solar panel reduces the problem of space as it can be painted on the whole wall, and it can produce approximate of 1000 volts of electricity. Let's talk about another module. This is a piezoelectric generator. This works on the principle of magnetic effects of electric current. Now when the car comes and puts pressure on it, the moving magnet produces electricity in the coil, and we can preserve that electricity and use that. Next, we have our Peltier module. Now this is a tile that produces electricity when there is a differentiation of temperature on the opposite sides. So for example, when we are putting it on chimneys, what happens is the hot air coming from the below creates a differentiation in temperature at the top of the tile and below it, and thereby we are producing electricity from it. Next, we have DC motor. Now this is a very revolutionary design, as we know that in parks hundreds of people, even taking in one park, hundreds of people are passing day by day. So when a person passes through it, he will rotate the DC motor, and as we know that when the DC motor is rotated, it will produce electricity. Now for the water conservation, we have prepared various modules. Now we did an experiment in which we took these soil particles. These are the clay which is burnt and made ductile. So what happens is when the water is passed through this, the soil particles will purify the water, and even the dissolved particles like PM 2.5 are filtered from this. There's another filter which has been made from natural materials like the material present inside the bamboo stick, the soil and the grass. These can also filter the PM 2.5 particles. Now we also have the green net. As we know that in winters we have fog, and this fog contains water molecules. Now when this fog comes in contact with this green net, what happens is they condense and form water. So from that air we can conserve water. So this is our project.
Thank you.